Griffin, who is a member of the Judiciary Committee.
Gentleman from Arkansas, recognized for 1 minute.
Madam Speaker, I thank the gentleman from Texas for his leadership on this issue and for yielding me his time. I believe we need health care reform badly, but the law we got isn't what we need. This is why that I rise today in support of H.R. 2 to repeal the current health care law. The health care law provides for an increased government role and will ultimately lead to decisions made by the government instead of doctors and patients. It ignores the issue of cost. It was loaded with gimmicks to make it seem deficit neutral. But once those are accounted for, we find that it adds over $700 billion to the deficit in the next 10 years. The health care law, and especially the unconstitutional mandate, handicaps our ability to grow jobs. Small businesses will be hit hardest because they operate on the tightest margins and will have the toughest time complying with the onerous regulations. Many of the regulations are still not written, creating uncertainty for employers. We must repeal the law and replace it with one that lowers costs, preserves the doctor-patient relationship.
Gentleman's time has expired.
Madam Speaker, I'll yield the gentleman an additional 30 seconds.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Lets Americans keep the coverage they have, allows the private sector to create jobs, and follows the Constitution. Thank you. I yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back. Gentleman from Michigan.